Well, welcome back guys, and welcome back to the DIY Beard. My name's Jez and I'm the man behind the beard. Today we've got something a little bit different for you than a bolt build. So my good friend and uncle Russ has got a lovely Triumph Bonneville T120. Got an aftermarket exhaust on it at the moment, not sure exactly of the brand, but he's decided he wants an Xpipe to try and make it a bit louder, maybe try and compete with the good old thumping sound of the XV. So we're taking a bit of a trip to Triumph and they're going to fit it for him. I'm going to do some filming for you while I'm there, so going to get a lovely clip of what it sounds like now and hopefully what it sounds like after, and we can see all the difference. As you can see, it's a lovely day for it today. Traffic's nice and light 'cause it's mid-afternoon on a Friday, so hopefully roads will be clear for us. And then what I'm also going to do is, while I'm at Triumph, is I'm going to see if we can maybe steal one of the bikes and have a bit of a test ride. Now I'll obviously upload that as a separate video, but it gives us some opportunity to get some more content really, doesn't it, while we're out. So I'll leave you with some scenic views of Staffordshire, which is where I'm from, and then we'll pick up when we get to Triumph. See you soon. Oh, scraped the pegs for the first time there guys, never done that before. Not gonna lie, a little bit of squeaky bum, but coped quite well. I don't know if I mentioned it to you before, but I'm used to usually riding sports bikes. First bike I ever had was the GSXR 650, sorry, GSXR 600 that I've got. So lots of ground clearance when you're going around corners there. It's the first time I've ever put the pegs down, but like I said, coped quite well. Well guys, what an absolutely fantastic day has been. Sorry for the lack of footage towards the end. I did do a whole sort of wrap up of the video on a ride home. However, I've had a new camera and I really don't know whether it's user error or some of the footage has been corrupted, but I just can't seem to find that footage. So I thought I'd wrap it up in the garage just as I'm putting the XV to bed. As you saw there, that was Russ's absolutely beautiful Bonneville T120. I really do dare you to find a cleaner T120 that is actually ridden. That man keeps it absolutely pristine, and it not only sounds brilliant, it looks brilliant. Now, he already has a few things on the bike, and I will try and steal it so we can do a bit of a review video. But from the exhaust note that you heard at the beginning, that has a Remus system, and it's a full Remus system that's on it at the moment. What he has done is he's had the motone Xpipe fitted today via Staffordshire Triumph. Gave him a very reasonable price, hence the reason why he's had it fitted there. And now it sounds even better. Now, the video really doesn't do it justice. You have to hear it for yourself. Especially when it's on high revs, that has a thunderous sound from that parallel twin. And it's brilliant. I can't describe how it makes you feel when you listen to that. One of the other things I was really surprised about as well was actually the weight saving. The original catalytic converter that's on it weighs about 2 kilograms, which is immense really for something that is, you know, it's not very big at all. It's what, about 6 inches by 6 inches. The motone one is light as. It really is light as a feather compared to the stock one. So it's got some weight saving. Now, I don't know what the performance is. The guys at Staffordshire Triumph recommended not to run it hard for the next couple 100 miles. Let it bed in. But like I said, we'll steal the keys, so we'll take it out and we'll see what the power difference is on there as well. And like I said, we'll do a bit of a review video. Now, while I was in there, I got chatting to a lovely lad called Tico. And Tico's one of the sales reps at Staffordshire Triumph. He's an absolutely fantastic guy. And if you wanted just to pop in and hear some stories from a very interesting man, he's the guy to go and see. There was no sort of tough sales technique used, and he actually allowed me to take the keys to a Bonneville Bobber Black. Now, like I said, I wanted to try and do a test ride today, and what better bike really? I mean, we're trying to build a fantastic bobby. Why not take out a factory bobby and see how that feels? So I'll post the video once I've got that edited up, and that'll probably be out around about next weekend. But I just wanted to wrap the video by saying please do like and subscribe. It really does help my channel and it means a lot to myself. And if you do want to see any more first ride videos, then please do write in the comments of any bikes that you recommend me to check out, and I'll hopefully go and try and see if I can get the keys to those and give them a whip around. Now, it is a bit of a different style of video this time, so I hope you've really enjoyed that. And if you could give me a thumbs up or just drop me a comment on your thoughts, that'd be much appreciated. But catch you next time, guys. See you soon.